world is mine.
Man, this goes out to anybody who ever lost someone, or anybody who ever had like a big motivation to do something in life. Man, don't let anybody get in your way. Do what you want to do. I mean, people laugh when I said I was gonna be a rapper. Look at me now, JD, get 'em.
Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun down. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown. Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun down. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown.
Got a house in the mountains, so I'm climbing up the countdown. People blowing up my phone, Rose was my shout out. Goddamn, quiet it down, loud mouse. I gotta go buy some shoes that aren't even out now. Hard like Viagra, flows like Niagara. Los running right past you, sorry son, I might laugh. I'm serious as fuck, this is no Happy Gilmore. I'm about to shut the game down, look out on your billboards. Almost had a couple kids, had to get my mind right. Homie, this is my mic, my choice is my life. Let the Kush limelight unbrighten my eyesight. Shine right, watch back from London, take time right. Kept it 100 with my mask for the thugs. Had everybody in a good mood in the club. Like he's a white dude and everybody showing love. Death threats on my phone and I still don't give a fuck. So I'm
Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown. Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown.
Wolves, I am back now, picking up the slack now. Thanks for the song, you're welcome on the doormat now. So just roll up one thigh, dance, clap now. Horns in the background, bass, hi-hat now. And like the breaststroke, I will never back down. Stand up, guys, get dropped, lay back down. I do it for the struggle, I do it for the trap house. Do it for St. Louis, my family fans frat house. So ask yourself, is Los the shit like manure yet? Sold out shows, he ain't even on tour yet. Coming for the charts, this is real. 3, 2, 1. Snipe on top, but feel free to run. Shit, life had a countdown, took too many meds. Heart stopped beating, big rush to the head. I woke up dazed in that hospital bed. Ripped the IV off my chest, man, it's time to get some bread. Cause I'm
Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown. Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip-hop, and we picking up the sun now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown.
You want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you. You want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you. You want me like the other boys do. They stare at me while I stare at you. It's true, I crave you. It's true, I crave you.
yes I do. So you don't care about the money? Well, yes, it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good, then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand with me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand with me. Yeah. I can only do me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same old me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for, love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all of this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go. Even if I'm out to nothing, I know there's always something. It's not a fitness test, but it'll always keep me running. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. So I keep it close to me, make sure it never goes away. From the start, I knew it in my heart. If I made one person happy, then I know I did my part. Now, if I stay into it, when people dig the music I put on for my cities, they know I always do it for love. Yeah, I put on for my cities, they know I always do it for love. I do it for love. What you do it for? I do it for love, for love, for love, for love, for love. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love is the game. No question. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love is the game. No question. I do it for love. I do it for love.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up, and I know that it's just over. Could you